Hello, how is everyone today? I am Tutor Nathan, and as always, your personal virtual English tutor. I am here to help you learn and understand the English language. I am joined by our Queen today. How are you doing today, Your Highness?
I am fine, thanks. How are you?
I am fine as well. Thank you for asking.
What are we going to be talking about in today's video? Tutor Nathan.
I am glad you asked. We will be talking about the future continuous tense. Did you know in some places they might call it the future progressive?
No, I did not.
There will be a link in the description below for those that want to follow along with me and Her Highness. The future continuous is used when we use it for making predictions, or when we have uncompleted actions in the future. We can also form questions and negative sentences using the future continuous. Are you following along, Your Highness?
Yes, I am. How about our viewers?
I am sure they are, Your Highness. We form the future continuous by subject plus will plus be plus verb with an ing ending. First, when we make a prediction, we are making a guess about something in the future using current events. For example, it will be raining later because it is cloudy. When we use it for unfinished actions, we can say it like this: I will be finishing the project when you arrive. When we make negative sentences, which are really just sentences that mean the opposite of what we mean, for example like this: it will not be raining later because it is sunny now, we can also use the contraction for will not, which is won't.
This is all very exciting.
Yes, it is, Your Highness, and that isn't all. We still have to learn how to form questions.
How exactly do we form questions using the future continuous?
I am getting right on it, Your Highness. We form questions by putting the word will, and then the subject, next will be your be verb, lastly the verb plus ing, and then the rest of the question like this: will it be raining later? As you can see, Your Highness, the future continuous is really easy to learn all about.
Yes, it is, and I think our viewers will have also learned about it too.
I am sure they did. Our viewers are very smart. Do you have anything else you would like to say, Your Highness, before we leave today?
I hope everyone has a great day. And me and Tutor Nathan hopes to see you next time. And goodbye.
I too hope everyone has a great day. If you learned something in this video or found it interesting, please give it a like and comment. Also, if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing to this channel. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you to all my subscribers who watched this. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.